Yo guys, what is up? Today we're going to be trying to make natural disasters but with AI. So let's see if AI can make this. For this video, we're going to be using Copilot, which is just the regular Windows one, I'm pretty sure. So I've already asked it to help me make natural disasters, but it just gave me ideas of what to add. But I'm going to ask it if it can make the round system for me with maps. Okay, so right now it's asking me to do this for the structure. So in replicated storage, it's asking us to put a remote event. So let's put a remote event real quick in there. Then in here, we put a round status, which I don't think is an actual value, but I don't know what I meant to do with that. I will do that in a second once I figure it out. Then in server storage, we add a folder called maps. And now we will get the map. This comes with a bunch of maps with 3 already. I'll just do these 3 for the whole game. And then we'll also add the spawn right here. Okay, now that we have that, let's go ahead and select this. Name this map 1. Then this one will name map 2. And this one will name map 3 then. And then we select them all, put them in this maps folder. Now in server script service, it's asking us to put a round system, so a server script. So let me do a local, or wait, no, you can't do it local, it's just gonna be this one. And then it put in server script service this script right here that it just gave me. And then in map 1 it wants a part named spawn. So let me actually fix that real quick, grab them out of here. Let's just make them all spawn at the beginning of the map. So we've got map 1, insert a part here, right? We get the part, move it to, let's say, the docks, and then name it spawn. Now let's just go to the other maps. Let's put this one back in server, or in the maps folder right here. Let's go to this one, and I think for this one I will start it off here too, so just at the beginning. So let's get a part in here. Okay, we have a part in here. Oh, that's not where it's meant to be. Let's get it back in up here. Okay, it's all of these are just separate in there, so I just put it in there. So there we go. Then we will go ahead and put this map back in here. We'll go to map 3. Let's check over here. Where should we make this? I feel like this is the spawn, so let me just grab a part, put it down right here, name it, or well, move it over here first, name it spawn, or spawn, and then put this map back in here. Okay, now it's asking the script looks for a spawn part to teleport players. If no spawn exists, it uses the first base part. Finds optional UI showing round status. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this real quick. So in this, we'll do a screen GUI like it's asking us to do. We'll do a text label. So text label, not text box, because then everybody's going to be typing in there. Let's actually, we need to scale it normally so it fits every screen. So let's do 1 and then 1. Actually, we'll do 0.1 and 0.1, and then we'll just scale it up like this. We'll remove the background if we can find it right here. Move the background, scale rich text, scale the text. Let's give this a Ferdoka 1 style. We'll put it in italics, and then there we go. We have that. Now add a local script inside of here. It's telling us to do, and then paste this script in here for making this stuff happen. Okay, now let's figure out the part for this. Okay, we gotta rename it. That's what it meant. Okay, and then round status. Now that I've got the round status, let's test it out. I actually don't know if this would work. Let me see. Nope, there is not. Let's put a spawn location right here. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. It does not matter where it's standing at right now, actually, so let's just get it in here and let's see if this works. So this is not updating. That's already not very good. Let me see if the scripts are saying, or if the output's saying anything. Replicate, wait for child, remote events. Okay, so remote events is not okay. That's because I guess I did do this wrong. I guess it's not meant to. I guess it is not meant to do that. It's meant to be like this. I don't know what's happening. Let me see. Let me give this into the AI and ask it to fix this real quick, or see if it can fix this. Oh wow, that's a lot of text. Why you're getting the error. Remote events is not a valid member of replicated storage. I don't get that because it is right here. Infinite yield for blah blah blah. Okay, I'll be back when I fix this. Okay, guys, so I think I fixed it. It was because the remote event. It was a remote event, and it was meant to be a folder. So now it worked. We have the intermission working now. So that was the only problem. And then once that happens, the map spawns in, we load in, and everything works, it appears to be. Okay, yes, I like that. I think I think it will always start off with map 1. Okay, I'll be back, and I'm gonna see if what else we have to add. I know you have to add the disasters, but I don't know if you can map choose in natural disasters. I haven't played it in a while. Okay, I am back, and I did see that you can actually see what map it is. So let's add that. Hold up, and then let's ask it to give me. Oh wait, hold on. Let me show you guys. I'm asking it to give me the full new script. Okay, so intermission countdown, random map selected, UI shows selected map, blah blah blah, map 2, maps load into workspace, players teleport to the map spawn, round countdown, map removed, loop repeats. Okay, so let's check that out. We have the intermission. I wonder if these Roblox things actually work. I don't think they do. Okay, round on map 3, time left. I do like that a lot actually, but I will change it so the map names do say like an actual map name. Let's name this map the Arch, and hold up. So map 1, map 2, map 3 right here. Let's name this one race track. Let's name this one light. Oh, let's name this one house. And then this one we'll call great arch. Oh, let me give spaces in between them. Okay, there we go. I finished them all. Now let's get into ChatGPT. Or not ChatGPT, into the thingy, into the Copilot, and to show it the new names. These are the new map names. Fix the script to work with this. Lighthouse, racetrack, great arch. Okay, updated round system works with your new map names. Okay, there we go, that's good. Let's put it in here now. New script, and let's get, where are they? Right here. Put them back in the maps, get them over here. I think I do have to put the maps inside of each other because then they would actually look natural. I don't know where the maps show up. They show up right there, I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, did they always show up here? Okay, map great arch, time left, and if you have that long. I'll be back and show y'all if the system works with the loop once this round is done. Okay, so it does work, but it doesn't bring you back to the spawn list, so let's fix that real quick. Okay, the looping works, but it does not take you back to spawn. Go back to spawn. No, like once the round Okay, I'll be back once I fix this, by the way, guys. Okay, guys, so here's the new script we just got for actually teleporting players back to the spawn. So let's paste that back into the round system then. That is already way more lines of code. Now we have that. Okay, yes, we have the lobby spawn part. Let's check if it works. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's telling me now because I asked it what it was, what everything was. It told me that the folder right here, that was called weather. So let me name that. Now, give me a second. Okay, so now it's telling me to add an acid effect. So let me search up acid effect, or actually acid rain effect. See if it has anything. If not, I will just grab right here. Actually, matter of fact, nope, that does not work. it needs to be a particle effect, but I don't know how to make particles or VFX or anything. So yeah, I think I'll just do a particle emitter. I think it is particle emitter. You do need it in a part though, don't you? So let me get it in a part. Yeah, there we go. That works. Now let's just, what if we rotate this, or would it not work? No, it would. There we go, if we rotate it. Let me see how high we can make it fall, or how high it falls. So let's put it over here. Right here, it seems to be going on over here, all the way down. But yeah, let me make this part a little bigger, so it can rain, or look like actual rain at least. Okay, now particle emitter effect. Let's edit the particle. Let's make it emit a little like this. And there we go. Now let's change the color from white to, of course, green. I actually just need to change this color to green for acid rain. Let's make the rate, keep it the same. Let's make the spread angle the same. I think we just keep everything the same for right now. And then, hold up, let me see. Okay, so there we go. I found a better model like this one right here, where what the flip, bro? Okay, I think I'm just gonna keep my cloud model, bro, because this one seems to be looking a bit weird. So let's just keep it like this. Let's see. Okay, now this needs to go. This needs to go away. We don't need that anymore. Grab this, put this back in here. So we have the weather effects. Make sure you rename this particle emitter to rain emitter, like it's asking us to do. Right here, this effect should not have a space in between it. Okay, and now replicated storage, weather, acid rain effect with the rain emitter in it. Replicated storage, remote event, round status, weather, acid rain effect. We already have all of that. Now, let's see. We have everything. Now, how do I make the how? No, hold up. I'll be right back. Okay, so now let me check if I can. There we go. So now it's telling me to add a folder in server script service right here for weather right here. Sorry for the background noise. I'll give it a second so it's gone. Okay, so now we put this script in here. We had to put a script in the weather. Go in here, put this here real quick. There we go. This is the rain effect. And now, give me a second. Okay, now it's giving me the full fixed system right here for the lobby or round system. Then this I already have. And let's check it out now if it works. Okay, so something does not work. So let's check out the output, copy it, and give it to the AI. See if we can get it to fix it. Okay, I've just given it to the AI. Let's see what it says. I'll be right back and try fixing this. Okay, so the module had to be a module script, so I just fixed that real quick and let's check it out now if it works. Okay, so it does appear to be working with the intermission. Let me see if it works now with the acid rain. Okay, so it says it's starting soon, and what event? Okay, so it doesn't appear to be starting, so let's see. Okay, that's because I accidentally added a H here and forgot to add it here on accident. So let's check it out now if it works. Okay, so I load in. It says acid rain starting soon. Okay, it does start. It seems to be working. Okay, you do take damage, not that quick though, but you do take damage. So what if I hide under here? Okay, you do not take damage if you're under here. It does appear to be that I forgot to anchor the port and it fell down. So let me see if I can fix that and make it bigger maybe. So yeah, 1 second. Okay, so I fixed it to make it so it actually is big enough and it's anchored so it stays in the air now. So let's check it out now if it works. So it's starting soon, we can see it up there. It doesn't appear to be spawning in the correct spot though, but let's see if it does work. Or is it moving to us? I don't know if it's working, so let me check it out. It does not appear to be working. I want to check if the cars do work though. So yeah, let me check that out real quick. Let's check out the scripts real quick to see if there's anything in there. Infinite yield, that's not very good. Okay, the cars do work, so people can actually have fun in this then. I'll give this back to the AI and see what it says, so I'll be right back with that. Okay, so I forgot to add the acid rain back into the replicated storage over here. So I just did that to fix it. Intermission is starting. Let's see if it works now. We spawn in. Okay, this is a pretty bad map for that, for acid rain. Whether acid rain, it did spawn above the map this time. I'm not taking any damage though, however. So let's see if we can fix that real quick. So I'll be right back when I'm done finishing that or fixing it. Okay, so it just gave me back a new script and said it would work. So let's see if it does. So it spawns in above us. Let's see if it does hit us once this comes down. I will need to put it lower 1 second. Okay, so after 30 minutes of bug fixing, I finally got it to work. So now it actually loads in. It checks if you're near the map, and if you are, it'll start taking damage. But once you're underneath a roof, you'll stop taking damage. But now I just need to fix this. So if you die, the round stops if there's no players on the map. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so it now works that once you die, or once there's no players, that the round ends. So let's show you. So we die, map gets deleted, we go back to here, and round ends. Okay, so now that I've got all that working, I'm gonna work on the UI to fix it. Okay, so I got the UI to work. It says intermission when a round starts, what weather event, what map, also how long you need to survive for. So round started, round starting, survive. Oh, it doesn't say what map and stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna make that because, well, it doesn't matter all that much. But yeah. Okay, so right now I'm gonna make the winning thing so it shows who won the game. So I'll be back when I'm done with that. I'll ask ChatGPT or ask Copilot if it can do that real quick, and I'll make the UI, and yeah. Okay, so now when the round starts and you die, it says no survivors in the winning thingy. But when you win, it says it says your name and who won exactly. So let me show you. No survivors. I don't know why it's saying intermission there now, but it does disappear, so it doesn't matter very much. So yes, there we go. Okay, so I fixed it. So there was just another script, this one in there for no reason. So I just deleted that. So now it does work. So yeah. Okay, now that the winning thing is done, I think I'm going to add another event, which is going to be the tornado. And I think that's going to be the last one for this episode, for this video. So what I think is I wanted to fling players and fling parts around them too, but not as many. So let's get working on it. Okay guys, this is the final project. So we have a tornado that works, that comes to the island and goes around it. I mean, it doesn't go around it, it goes also on it. It'll catch onto you. Once you die, it says no players are alive, ends the thing. See how it goes like this? It gets you, it damages you, it says no survivors. I just lagged a bit. We have acid rain, which also does damage if you're not underneath something and will rust items. Let's see if we get it. Nope, we got tornado again. Whatever, we are really unlucky. It flings items too. Oh, I just got flung off the island, so it ends. So yeah, if you get flung off the island like that, it will end. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe if you want to watch more, and see you guys later.